Nu, galvenais Andri maisu pakot
To
maisu.
arī var likt aptīkāt. Īstenībā jā.
Varētu pat teikt, ka katru otro maiņu vismaz viens trāpās. Tā kā apturēts. Nu, atšķirībā kāds promils, jā, tur dažreiz ir zem tā pusotra, dažreiz ir virs pusotra. Promils. Nevis bankas karte.
Nu, es saprotu. Kaut kā gadījās vienmēr parasti.
Čau visiem, čau. Kādam kaut kas notiek, lietojot šo te WhatsApp saziņu. Latvian people are amazing. They still hold on and help and donates cars and donates fuels and socks and whatever. So nothing has stopped. Usually these people who are donating cars, I think someone in their family has been deported and they know from historically how it is, and so they feel sympathy to Ukrainian people, and if they can, they donate. We have unwritten promise that we are together with Ukrainian people until the victory.